Hi everyone, this is Topu21 here, and this is another Thursday, and I'm back with another new drawing video. Today's video is all about a simple mandala design, which I created using Procreate's one of the most handy features, which is Drawing Guides Symmetry Mode. If you aren't subscribed yet, then hit the subscribe button now so that you don't miss my future videos. If you like this video, then let me know your thoughts down on the comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any other notification from this channel. And thank you so much for watching, and catch you guys on next Thursday.